Have you ever heard someone worry that robots or artificial intelligence will take away all the jobs? It's a common fear, something you might see in science fiction movies or hear about in the news. But what if I told you that story is only half the picture? What if, instead of just taking jobs away, AI is actually creating a whole universe of brand new, super exciting jobs that we have never even dreamed of before? Throughout history, every major technological leap, from the printing press to the internet, has changed the way we work, and AI is the next big step in that amazing journey. Think about it like this. When cars were invented, the world didn't need as many people to take care of horses, but suddenly we needed people to build cars, fix engines, design roads. The future isn't about humans versus machines, it's about humans and machines working together. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is a job that is incredibly important for our future: the AI ethicist. Think of them as a guide or a conscience for artificial intelligence. Their job is to ask the tough questions and make sure that the AI systems we build are fair, safe, and responsible. Well, AI learns from the data we give it. If that data reflects human biases, the AI can learn those same biases. For example, if an AI system used for hiring is trained on historical data where mostly men were hired for a certain job, it might learn to unfairly favor male applicants. An AI ethicist would step in to identify that risk. They help companies and engineers think through the consequences of their creations, ensuring that technology serves humanity in a positive way. Coming in at number 4 on our list is a role that has exploded in popularity recently: the prompt engineer. A prompt engineer is an expert at talking to AI. They specialize in crafting the perfect questions, instructions, and commands, called prompts, to get the best possible results from generative AI models. For example, instead of just asking an AI to write a story about space, a prompt engineer might write a 500-word short story for a 10-year-old about a friendly, curious robot who discovers a planet made entirely of glowing ice cream. So what does a prompt engineer do all day? They experiment. They test hundreds of different prompts to see which ones work best for specific tasks. They are part linguist, part programmer, part psychologist, and part creative director, constantly figuring out the cleverest ways to speak the language of AI. At number 3, we have a job that sounds like it came straight out of a science fiction movie: the digital twin designer. This role is all about creating perfect, living, virtual replicas of real-world objects, systems, or even entire environments. Imagine having a virtual copy of a jet engine that runs on your computer, showing you exactly how the real engine is performing thousands of feet in the air, or a digital twin of a whole city that can be used to test new traffic patterns. The designer then programs the twin to use this data to simulate its physical state, predict when maintenance will be needed, and test how it would perform under different conditions. It's a job that requires both artistic design skills and a strong technical understanding. Our runner-up, at number 2, is a job that gets to the very heart of our shared future, with AI, the Human-AI Collaboration Specialist. This person is essentially a team-building expert, but their team is made up of both humans and artificial intelligence systems. They figure out the best way to design workflows where AI handles the tasks it's good at, like analyzing huge amounts of data, while humans focus on creative strategy, building relationships, and making final decisions. They then help train employees on how to use their new AI teammates, making sure everyone feels comfortable and empowered by the technology, not replaced or intimidated by it. The day-to-day job of a human-AI collaboration specialist is all about people. They are part business analyst, part technology trainer, and part workplace psychologist. And now, the number 1 amazing job created by AI is one of the most heroic: the AI Cybersecurity Analyst. As our world becomes more connected and more reliant on AI, we need a new kind of digital guardian to protect us, and this is that role. Just as we can use AI for good, bad actors can use it to create more sophisticated and harder to detect cyber threats. They can use AI to write convincing phishing emails, create mutant malware, or launch massive automated attacks. They deploy AI tools that can monitor a company's network activity in real time, learning what normal behavior looks like. When the AI detects something unusual, it alerts the human analyst. The analyst then leaps into action, investigating the threat, understanding how it works, and neutralizing it before it can do any damage. Now that we've explored these 5 incredible future jobs, you might be wondering, this all sounds amazing, but how do I get ready for a future like this? The wonderful news is that you don't have to wait until college to begin building the skills you'll need. Join a debate club, write short stories, play simulation games, try block-based coding websites like Scratch. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, focus on your uniquely human skills. Practice empathy. Develop your communication skills. These soft skills are actually the powerhouse skills of the future. We've been on an incredible journey exploring a future that is bright with possibility. We've seen that artificial intelligence isn't a scary monster coming to take jobs away. Instead, it's a powerful new tool, a collaborator that is helping us invent entirely new fields and careers. These roles show us a future that is not about humans or machines, but about humans and machines. The partnership between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence will be the most powerful force for positive change our world has ever seen. It will help us cure diseases, protect our planet, and explore the universe. The most exciting part of this story is that it is still being written, and you are the author. The adventure is just getting started, and the most important role in this new world is yours. Don't ever let anyone tell you that technology is making you obsolete. It's making you more important. Get ready to learn, to create, and to lead the way into an amazing future. Which of these 5 amazing jobs excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos about the incredible future that awaits us all.